Little dab just to adjust. Oh no! Second dab. Looking good from here though. Coming down steep. Oh yes. Oh, what's going on? Third dab. Find it hard this time. It's trouble when you when you get one of those dabs, Dave. You know, it messes you up the rest of the ride psychologically and physically. You can start to feel the cool taking his tail on our Wayne here. Yeah, it's one of those days at the moment. But let's see how he gets on in round 3. If he can get through without missing the gate. Oh, we'll have to go on the replay for that. That touch there might have been a 5.
Oh mate, struggling.